Good morning, children. Today, the story that I am going to tell you is on Father's Day. We celebrate Mother's Day and Father's Day to make them feel special. Yes, and today the story is Father's Day Treat. Always tell the truth, it's easier. Yes, if you have done a mistake, say that you have done it and accept the mistake and do not repeat it again. So that is what the story is all about. So let's read the story. Leo and Nia were twins. Mum helped Leo and Nia make a pudding for Dad on Father's Day. Yum! It looked beautiful. Can I taste it? I'd like to take some too. Mum shook her head and smiled. Just wait till the evening. It'll taste even yummier when Dad takes the first bite. So let's wait for the father to come home. The boys sat down and playing with puzzles and colors. Let's try the pudding. Hey, we are not supposed to touch the pudding. I only want a little bite and a tiny spoonful. In the kitchen. Both the boys went in the kitchen. It smells like heaven. Crash, thud and smash. Oh no, what will we do now? So the story is about two twins, Nia and Leo, and they have, with the help of their mother, they have prepared a pudding for father on Father's Day. And the pudding looked very yummy and tasty and it looked very tempting. So the boys wanted to taste a little bit of it. But the mother said, let the father taste first and then we all will eat in once the father is at home. However, both the boys could not control themselves. So they went in the kitchen, opened the fridge and took out the pudding. However, they got unbalanced and the pudding fell on the ground. Now they are very scared. Let's see what happens now. Let me clean this up. Mum will never find out. This pudding is gone. She will find out. What to do? What to do? Mum would be very angry, but she always says, when in doubt, tell the truth. So now both the boys are saying, let me clean the floor so that mother should not know that we have spoiled the pudding. But the other brother is saying that how mother will come to know, because there is no pudding now, it is on the floor. And mother said that you should always say the truth. If you have done a mistake, say that you have done a mistake. Oh, go to Mum, Leo, you should tell her the truth. She won't be so angry. So now Leo went to mother. Yes, what is it? Mum. I climbed a stool to taste the pudding, but I slipped and fell down. Oh God, are you fine? Oh no, it's completely spoiled. What should we make now? You are not angry at Leo? No, I am not angry. I am upset that you didn't listen, but I am glad that you told the truth. Never mind, let's bake a cake for the dad. I was scared, but there was the voice in my head that told me that to say the truth. I'm sorry, Mum. So now Leo went to mother and said that I was trying to take out the pudding to taste. However, I slipped and the pudding fell down. So the mother said that I am upset that we don't have the pudding now, but it's okay because you told the truth. Now they are baking a cake for dad again. So see, when you say the truth, your parents also understand, children. They will not shout at you or scold you. However, they will be very happy and glad that you have accepted that you have done a mistake. So it is always important in life to be honest and truthful, children. No matter what situation comes, if you have done wrong, accept that you have done wrong and try to work on it so that you should not repeat that mistake again. And both the boys with mother help made a nice cake for dad for the Father's Day, and they all celebrated the Father's Day by cutting that cake. So this was the story about Father's Day treat, and I know that you also do make your parents feel special on Mother's Day and Father's Day, but they will be glad when you start saying truth, start saying the truth. So be honest, love your parents and always respect them, children. I will see you in the next class. you read the lesson and you will enjoy the story. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.